I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. You got the Osage Casino in Ponca City itself. There's Seven Clans Paradise Casino in Red Rock, Oklahoma. Seven Clans Casino in Newkirk, Oklahoma. And the Tonkawa Casino in Tonkawa, Oklahoma. These are places where concerts, gaming, hotels, and restaurants of all levels are present to contribute to nightlife activities for ones who chose to do so. Overall, I give Stuteville Ford in Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville Ford in Ponca City, just contact me.